Hi again, this is Marin Steiner from Los Angeles. Hope everyone is having a good start to their Saturday morning. Today we're going to talk about something that I really enjoy talking about, and I hope you enjoy this conversation about nutrition because it's really important and affects everybody, and it's not something that's talked about enough. So without food intake or supplemental nutrition, obviously we'd become extremely malnourished and eventually death would occur. Food contains nutrients, and nutrients provide energy, and that energy in turn allows the organs and the systems in our body to function and allow us to remain healthy. When we expend more energy than we're taking in, we have to address this by repleting our body with things like more food and more electrolytes in order to avoid things like low blood glucose levels and also an imbalance of potassium. This is why elite athletes often consume sports drinks or even salt tablets during marathons or other high endurance events. There are two hormones that play a big role in one's appetite, and they're called leptin and ghrelin. So leptin is a byproduct of your fat cells, and it's inside of the small intestine. It regulates energy by decreasing your hunger, which in turn lowers the amount of fat that is stored in your fat cells. And ghrelin, which is also referred to as the hunger hormone, is a product of your cells located in your stomach. Ghrelin, when it's high levels in your system before a meal, after you eat, it makes those levels lower. So basically, ghrelin makes you hungry. So knowing what your BMI is, or BMI, your body mass index, is the amount of energy expenditure, can help a person know how many calories should be acquired daily to maintain a normal body weight for you. If you're physically active, you'll require more calories than a person who leads a sedentary lifestyle, like someone who basically sits and watches Netflix all day and never gets up, takes a walk, or does any exercise like we all know that we're supposed to do. And some days, maybe that's going to be different for different people. Maybe you work out 3 days a week, and the other 4 days, you need a different amount of calories to cope with that. I'm a really big fan of dietitians and nutritionists, and I believe that along with your primary care medical provider, they can help you live a really healthy and balanced lifestyle. If you have pre-existing medical conditions, food allergies, take medications, all of these can affect your nutritional needs. So that's why it's important to consult with a professional, especially before starting any new diet or any crazy diet fad, or also doing some sort of strenuous activity that your body's not used to. So I hope this helped you understand this topic, and I look forward to talking with you guys next week. Thanks. Bye for now.